Welcome to Flipping the Classroom video, compound sentences, semicolons, and colons. Please have your flip notebook ready. Write today's date and the title of this video in the top right-hand corner. Remember to use the whisk method. W means to watch the video and take notes. S means to write a 5-sentence summary about the lesson. And Q means to write one question about something in the video that you did not understand, or write one question about the video that you can ask one of your peers tomorrow during your class discussion. Compound sentences. A compound sentence is made by putting together two or more simple sentences containing related information. These parts are usually joined by a conjunction, such as and, or but. A comma is placed before the conjunction. Let's look at some examples. Here are two simple sentences. It began to rain. Our field trip was canceled. So if you take these two simple sentences and you put them together, you'll have a compound sentence. This is what it looks like. It began to rain, comma, and our field trip was canceled. So what you've added a comma before the conjunction and. The next example. I have been studying spelling words every night. I expect to get a good grade on the test Friday. Again, you're taking the two simple sentences, you're putting them together to make a compound sentence. You're adding a comma after the first sentence, and you're joining the two sentences with the conjunction and. I have been studying the spelling words every night, comma, and I expect to get a good grade on the test Friday. So those are compound sentences. Semicolons. Semicolons join independent clauses or sentences. Sometimes when we think about clauses, we also think that they are also called sentences. It's also like using the word furthermore. You can see this is a symbol for a semicolon. A semicolon is most commonly used to link two complete thoughts in a single sentence. Use a semicolon to add interest to your writing by turning short, choppy sentences into compound sentences. Here are some examples. Road construction in Dallas has hindered travel around town, semicolon. Streets have been covered with bulldozers, trucks, and cones. So you see you have two independent clauses. Mom said I couldn't go to the party, semicolon. I didn't want to go anyway. Mary drives a Mercedes, semicolon. Megan drives a Ford. You can see in the last example that there's a relationship between the two sentences. Colons. Colons introduce lists and explanations. It's also like using the words, and here it is, or, and here they are. Examples are, there are many reasons to exercise. It's good for your health, it's fun, and it's free. So as you can see, right after the colon, there are three reasons. It's good for your health, it's fun, and it's free. It's like a list. And the same thing applies to the last example. There are 4 parts to a plant, colon, roots, stem, leaves, and flower. So it lists the 4 parts of the plant, and that's why you need a colon right after the word plant. So this is how we use colons in our writing. And that is all for this Flipping the Classroom video on compound sentences, semicolons, and colons. And thanks for watching.